With an Alabama original in Florence, I'm Luke Hydash, Way 31 News.
Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Yeah, we're really sewing up in a beautiful forecast here as we start the weekend. Temperatures already close to 70 for most areas here, with plenty of sunshine over the last couple of hours since the sun has come up. Just seeing a few of these passing fair weather clouds here, so we'll call it filtered sunshine through the rest of this morning and into your Saturday afternoon. And as we take a look at your Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, dry conditions, and it's not just dry here in North Alabama, it's dry region wide, and you can see some of those high thin clouds kind of drifting in from out of the west. A few of those fair weather clouds building up in the afternoon heat later today, but that's pretty much it. So plenty of sunshine if you're out and about today. Make sure you have that sun protection, especially if you're enjoying all the lakes and rivers here in North Alabama today, because you're getting that extra reflection off of the water. UV index for today, it's just on the edge of extreme and very high. So your burn time is about 10 to 15 minutes. Worst time of the day is at high noon. That's around about 12:45 this time of the year. Also keep in mind the summer solstice is just over 2 weeks away. That is the most intense sun angle of the entire year. So we are very close to some very strong sun rays. So again, make sure you have the sunblock, seek the shade if you can. If you're heading out to, let's say, Lake Guntersville today, a little bit of a northeast wind at about 5 to 15 miles per hour, but not too bad with highs right around 86. Closer to Wheeler Lake, and as you head closer to, say, Limestone and into Lauderdale County, highs in the upper 80s, and again, a northeast wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. That high of 87, that's right at our 30-year average for today's date, so where we should be for this time of the year. Looking ahead to tomorrow, we're expecting highs to run maybe a degree or two warmer, and maybe just enough instability to get a pop-up stray shower or isolated thunderstorm. I'm keeping those chances pretty low for tomorrow. Put them at about 10% by 3, 4, 5, and 6 o'clock for your Sunday. So here's a look at future radar and satellite. You got the passing high clouds all the way through this afternoon, but you'll notice we are staying dry all the way through tonight. Then as we head to your Sunday, this is 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, dry conditions, and then it's showing some pop-up showers and storms. I actually think it's overdoing the coverage a little bit. I think we'll see less than that, and what you're seeing is not much, but there is that chance for tomorrow, but a low chance as we wrap up the weekend. Then as we head into Monday, we're starting off with dry conditions for the new work week, and you'll notice some pop-up showers and storms developing by mid to late afternoon, but not a huge coverage, so we'll put the chances on Monday closer to about 20%. So there's look at the rainfall forecast for the next 2 days. So this includes today and tomorrow, and you'll notice most areas staying dry, just a trace showing up with some of that light green on the map. But as we head through the next 7 days, you'll notice how the map fills in. That brighter blue that you see right there, that's closer to an inch of rainfall. But then as you cross over the state line into Tennessee, that purple is indicating closer to 2 inches of rain. And that's because we're going to have a stalled front just off to our north. So a lot of the rainfall through Tuesday is going to be to our north into Tennessee. But eventually that stalled front drifts far enough south that we're going to start to see better coverage of showers and storms by Wednesday and into Thursday. How about what's going on in the tropics? This could be the first named storm system of the season for the Atlantic Basin. Right now, it's potential tropical cyclone 1. Yeah, it's a big mouthful, but it should be Alex here later today. It actually already made landfall just in the last hour, just south of Fort Myers, Florida. Now it's racing off to the east, and if it's not Alex this morning, likely Alex as it races across the Atlantic, but staying well off to the south and east of the Carolinas. So if you are traveling, let's say, to South or North Carolina, no big issues other than a little bit of swell closer to the Outer Banks. But that's going to continue to race off to the east in the next 5 days, and everyone on the Atlantic Basin is going to be dry and quiet. Sunday forecast highs again near 90 tomorrow, low 90s for your Monday, and unfortunately, just for the return of the trash pandas at Toyota Field, we're going to see those storm chances picking up. They'll peak right around Wednesday, but still pretty high Thursday into Friday. We'll be right back.